also my background music is a lot more cohesive than the last time because my family members are playing Tetris Effect.
Instead of practicing piano, yeah.
Yeah, you were practicing the same section over and over. Yeah. Yes, that's what practice is. But, you know, as far as what people want to be listening to in addition to my voice, I don't know. So anyways, so on to day number 24. And we have about 2 hours left to go. Hopefully I can clear it and then quickly knock out day 25. So day 24, and let's see. Lemon Eris. Eris is infected with bugs. Okay, this is just Game of Life.
Since you last did the turn.
Yep. So, yep.
I did a second one, so I think I have like 10, 15 more minutes.
Okay, fair enough. That's simple enough to do. So I imagine part B is the really tricky part. Okay. So this is my initial layout. So we just feed this in. Okay. Cool. So we have the dots and the hashes. The hashes, I believe, are the empty space, are the bugs, and the dots are the empty spaces. So that's fair enough. Okay, so okay, in my standard. Actually, I want to handle this. Yeah, let's handle this as a. I'm going to assume that I know that this is a 5x5. In fact, the problem description says that it's the entire area scan fits into a 5x5 grid, so it's easy enough. Okay. Okay. So. Is in range S. All right. All right, just cover the two cases. Enable two-bar line. Okay. Space. And finally, we have this case, in which case we need, because the grid starts default false initialized. So G of, guess I can do, let's do major minor. G y of x is true. Okay. Okay. All right. I guess the advantage of using a hello, Kimmy. Good to see you. Let's see. So in range R. Okay. bug dies unless there is exactly one bug next to it. So this way. Let's see. Next gen. Okay. Cool. Let's see. So if the bug is alive, then X.
Adorable.
Then
Terrifyingly real.
YX is true. The bug only lives if there's one adjacent bug next to it. That seems fine. Otherwise, it is false. Empty space becomes infected if exactly one or two bugs are next to it.
Yay.
Mirror is alive. Y, comma, X. Okay.
Cooking with ADHD. Yep. Yeah.
Okay. And now finally, may as well just modularize these things super fast. Cool. All right. So. What is this in 0 or minus 3 equal to 5? False. That can just be collapsed here, so just collapse that. Alright, turn. Okay. Great. And we'll just do our pluses and our minuses. Super simple. X minus 1. Missing thing in argument list. Oh, that's probably.
See, this person knows how to do it. Yeah.
I need to see that actual error message. Line 63. That should work correctly.
Liz Zeppeli. She's screaming. They're just giving no getting her up.
Why does that not work?
Okay, this.
Missing comma and argument list. I swear once upon a time I knew how to code and go.
Picking it up and dipping it. Straight up dumping one Yeah, the ones on top are a lot hotter.
It's a little strange. What am I doing wrong here?
Cleanse my face after it's covered in powder.
It's good.
You're delicious, Natalie. I love you so much. You're my wife. Lydia.
Blah. Expect answer, comma, or oh.
Natalie sits next to the
That works now, shouldn't it? Next line 63 is still wrong. This is so strange. This should be valid go. Yeah, this is a little weird. Doing this.
Hey Liz,
Yeah.
are you too busy streaming to eat these?
I'm a little busy.
If you're telling me one that are really good, I'm gonna put one in your mouth.
Okay, let me just
Bring yours one with chocolate sauce. We'll bring in one.
Thank you.
These are super good.
They're actually really easy to make.
A little annoyed. Okay, I have somehow forgotten how to do a reference type. Whoa.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my god. Mm. Ah. Scolding myself. Okay.
Her keyboard is already super worthy.
No, I've not looked at it too closely. I recommend Madeline feel approval.
Let me just retype this again in my hand.
One time, restaurant, we had this dish with like.
What the heck?
Like mashed fried potatoes with like appetizer.
Did I mess up my braces elsewhere? Is that the problem? Oh,
One day, all of a sudden.
that is indeed what I messed up. Joe's message was just horribly, really, really bad. Okay. Okay. Calculate the biodiversity rating. Left to right in the top row, left to right in the second row. Okay. Okay. This can be a number up to 2 to the 25. So regular inch should be fine. All right. Let's see. Is let's see. Okay, that looks good. Okay. I think I can even express in simple form. I just need to put. Okay.
Wow. I'm glad I decided to make this because it's Christmas, so I figured an Italian dessert, and it's also Hanukkah, so I figured fried dessert.
I'm just thinking of Christmas to Italian dessert. I'm with you on Hanukkah and Friday.
This is very associated with Italian.
It's called Evolve.
I grew up in New York, most of the Catholics around were Italian American.
Yeah, that's not a universal thing.
Yeah.
This is really a compound word that needs to be camel case like that. Okay. Don't use stircons, that's fine. Line 43. Oh, that needs to actually run the function. 51 and 52. Oh, that value doesn't matter. Yes, technically I could compute the power based off of y and x, but you know what? Good enough. It's fine.
Yeah, right in the walk. Walkie's bigger. I'm not going to use it tomorrow. There's like no way we're using walk right tomorrow. We might use it for the.
All right, let's figure out what's gone wrong with our code here.
Are you going to say something serious or are you going to make a joke? No, I was going to say sometimes these are the big.
Why is this not working correctly? Day 24, day 24, that all lines up. It's literally outputting nothing. It should at least be printing out something, so...
Larry did not get
Liz, did you like the Zeppeli?
Yeah, they were delicious. G is a grid.
I got powdered sugar already washed.
A grid is a 5 by 5, yeah.
Or square.
Just make sure. Weird. What the heck? Oh. I'm failing to parse input. Oh. Very funny. Very funny. This is why I so meticulously put error handling code in every freaking thing else. Fine. Okay. Let's just feed that in.
Aha! Madeline gets your seat jacked.
That answer is too low. Okay. First layout that appears twice.
There's going to be even more food tomorrow.
Okay. So either my grid printing is wrong, or whoops, that's my problem. There we go. That's not right.
I think I'm not going to use it because it's too different than anything that I don't.
So why is it doing that now? Just check this. This ought to work. Oh, I see. The initial state needs to be not counted. Otherwise, I just break straight past it. That's my bad. All right, fine. Okay. Fine. Hate the corners I've painted myself into.
Clemens?
That's fine. There we go. All right, that should do it now. Wait, that value was too low. Yeah, okay, so then the next value is going to be higher, which seems correct. Okay. Great.
This game has like
All right,
one job.
part 2.
Really
That's plutonium. Ah.
synesthesia engineer.
2 layers of grids look like this. Things that are next to their recursion. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, and all of these things have concrete depths. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Sounds simple enough. Okay. All right, that should do it. How many bugs are present after 200 minutes? I don't need that anymore. So I can reuse a lot of this code, but not all of it. Okay. Let's see this. Pardon my manners. Okay. Okay, this is just going to involve in place. Oh, but I need to make sure it takes effect in sequence. Okay, that's a reason to generate a new object. Okay.
Sometimes I'm just like,
There you go.
Cool. Right, initialize to 0 value. Okay. The center tile is drawn as question mark. Wait, what's question mark? Okay. Cool. So that logic is all the same. Okay. This just still passes Z in the same way. However, this actually I'm just going to be consistent. Consistency matters. Okay. Alright, so if y is 2 and x is 2, then oh, that needs to return an integer instead.
Yeah, I know, it's very good.
Alright. Alright.
Ow. I just want to say that June 2016 was
Alright.
really fucking good.
That's what I've been told. I don't really play first-person shooters.
I know, but it's still a good game. I know I can beat that.
That's not jazz. I emailed my dentist. Maybe we'll have very briefly.
Okay, so if x is 2 and y is 2, then we need to pull the full adjacency set.
Yeah.
Unless they're Dental Cobra is not ungodly. It's like
Problem is, I need to know where I came from as well, which is a little bit more tricky.
How long can you stay on? Mostly, like, I historically had tooth problems, so, like,
Okay.
there was a decade of my life where I didn't have dental insurance, and then getting teeth care after that was a fucking nightmare.
Yeah, so,
I would like to have dental insurance.
yeah, like, if I was working at a small company that was in that position, either it were big enough to get dental insurance quickly, or it would.
I'm always checking starting from the same Z level, so okay. Great.
Natalie, what do you do?
I like jazz.
Yeah, like
Doesn't matter. X equals 2 and y equals 2. Continue.
Feel free to ask me any questions you have about jazz.
So I know what this is going to look like.
Answer to all the questions will be I don't know, because I don't
This
remember
is part A.
But you asked me.
copy it. Okay.
Wow!
Right, with level 0 points to the original grid. All right. I think I have to do 200 runs of this. A firm. I am told to ask for 200 minutes. I plus, then we do G3 equals G3 evolve. Doesn't matter. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's not a map. I cannot do that. It's fine. We'll handle it this way. Let's see. I need the same thing as the biodiversity score. I just need a count.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I'm not like trying to make fun of you.
Okay.
That happens to me all the time.
Right. 173. I covered that up.
No.
Oh, that's
Mostly
fine.
because the admin very quickly has like large numbers of
Fine.
instruments
And line 183.
you have auditory loss.
That's down here. Okay.
I just like there's so much going on in jazz. I figured those two things would like.
I mostly have problems with walking. And jazz tends to be
I mean, you're not wrong, but I'm still called out.
Start Y.
What kind of music do you take out?
You're Porter Robinson.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's all I listen to is the program.
Plus then it's greater than. Okay. From the top, from the bottom, from the left, and from the right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can you put it in Lydia's room? Thank you.
Oh, are you two about to go to bed? Well, I need to grab clothes. I'm gonna.
I think I need my toothbrush too. All right, 1 second. Okay. I'm pushing this from the top, then I need to access. Let's see. On the inside is. Guess it doesn't matter. The grid within this one is level 1. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
bottom. From the left. So Yankee, 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 and 0. And then finally we have from the right. Okay, that should do it. Oh, and I have another challenge. Need to evaluate levels that don't exist yet. Okay, I've saved enough of my thoughts there. Be right back. Okay, let's see. So, this also. Oh. How do I handle this?
Now you can go.
Let me just leave myself a to-do and handle this real fast. Okay. Okay.
Presumably, you like keep this
All right.
There makes information shareable has really taken a hit to content serving.
Let's see this. This is less than 0. This is greater than or equal to 5.
So
for those cases, I'm only adding
they've told us in the past that like
one singular value, and I know which side I came from. So for that case, I just
so you find out and
that just returns outer of
and read all the comments. So that we really
sorry. So if y is less than 0, that means I'm going up.
evidence of that this year. The one that
That means I need outers
historic as a format was
row 1,
and it was also announced that
column 2. Okay. Okay, now I know the shape of these. From the bottom, this is going to be row 3, column 2. This is going to be row
yeah, well, I mean, and I was part of it. And I remember on this podcast.
2,
People tweet about
column
it.
1,
So please don't do that.
0 indexed. Finally, okay, row 1, column 2. I think that's correct.
But when we got to watch it, was
Okay.
Like, yeah, it only took like 2-3 weeks before they turned that around and said like, okay.
Oh, wait, there's a problem here. Oh, these are all booleans. Knew there was a reason why I'd screwed this up.
So I guess if you weren't already aware of that, it's easy here.
Okay. Great. And we'll just cut paste this into place in all the appropriate places. All right. Okay. Do it this way instead. Some typing, and finally the present 1, let's return 0. Great.
What's your opinion
Okay.
right now of how
I think that covers the asymmetrical aspect of this. Now we just have to instantiate the levels that don't exist yet. Fortunately, this is relatively inexpensive. Okay, so let's handle it this way because it will make it easier. In these max. Okay. Okay.
I think it's important that everyone remember.
Okay.
People who work the front lines, who are those committee managers, especially very are not the kind of, they are the kind of people who will receive fire rightly for poor decisions and things that you don't like.
So
Right.
how do I take care of creeping this upwards?
Right? Their job is to take that feedback and funnel it up to the very wealthy person who pays other people to look at social media for them and give them the report.
I don't love this. We'll do it this way. Okay. Then
Because the person,
up to max, those ranges are going to be inclusive.
Right?
Okay.
They will be given an aggregate summary, and it'll say people are very angry about this. You can be angry and polite.
Okay. You did it. Got through that question.
Yeah. So am I. 2019 saw the introduction of some new premium products. The collective boosters, we had recently the secret layer. And in the past, we've had stuff like a lottery style system with macros.
Right. That should do it.
And Zendikar. What are your thoughts on these premium costed products that we've seen?
Let's see.
I still have no idea how to decision.
Okay. That should do it.
I don't know what sort of parts could just
Line 162.
They are.
Oh.
They are. Okay.
They are also, I think.
But I don't know if the foils are like the collector's version's just right? No.
How do I?
I think my coworker told me that everything that comes in a collector's booster you have except for the standard art, almost all the things that come in a collector's booster you had a chance to get in draft booster. Not the thing that comes in the roll deck. I'm just gonna cut myself off. It's too
Is that at the correct index? Yes, it is.
Actually learning how to get
Next gen of Z is next.
Yeah, I'm trying to mind if I
Okay.
Nelson in Friday Night's plays it was literally so
Right. That should take care of that.
It's literally their job to know this, and it's too complicated.
Line 154.
You mostly know it, but I don't want to spend the podcast on it.
See, it's too okay, but my point's been made. No, it's too complicated.
So there's that. I have another opinion. There's additional
G
information.
neighbors alive.
So if we're going to talk about Collector's Booster, Mythic Edition, Secret Layer.
Right.
Game store. And I think on the year that you're going to put, the $10 million $100 prize pool into Magic, and you're gonna put so many eggs into the arena basket.
I think I just still use this.
Taking,
Then what do I need the G for?
you think that's just
Okay.
kind of.
I can do without that G now. Oh, I see. Fine.
Yeah, have to do that. Yeah, right. Like if you can't support your LGSs, then you think of games not long.
Okay.
It's called Magic the Gathering.
Oh, that's the other reason why you had that there. Oh, this is just G3. Yeah. Okay. Asked to compute illegal value. Why is that?
Deployed or just like working away and they're not in a place with an LGS or their LGS or whatever. You still have an opportunity to place that can stay involved, but as like a primary driver of why we play this game, it doesn't actually make sense.
Why is that happening?
And it really looks great.
Start X, start Y. Okay, it must be this one.
Yeah, like so like the fact that the mythic editions and the secret layers also.
Oh, this is just the X and Y coordinates.
Correct. Yeah.
Because in that case, it's blatantly obvious which direction it is.
Yeah, it was really sad.
Okay.
I guess just being
do it.
not having a limited number of them available, being just like,
So and finally,
therefore, I guess I don't like this.
That's crappy.
Yeah, like it's a feel bad because it's trying to build these things.
okay.
I guess drives engagement.
Grid has a count method.
Yeah, no, that could be a thing. Like,
That ought to work.
Is like a feel bad that happens no matter what. And you use like there's routinely people walk into Yellow Jacket and like, oh, there's a photo walking Melissa, but I can't afford it or whatever. Whatever the card is. Like, oh, I like that.
Oh, oops. Ha ha ha, very funny. Okay. Okay, let's check that against the example. So if I start with the simple case, let's feed in this input. Okay. Why did it fail to parse that? Oh, because it's a question mark. I can just replace that with a dot. It's fine. Okay. And after 10 minutes, how many bugs are present? So let's flag this as well. Number of iterations to run for part B. Okay, iterations. Okay. I count 118 bugs. The solution claims there should be 99. Okay, that's simple enough to print out. Oh. I see the problem. Yeah, my problem is that's Z plus 1. This is Z minus 1. No, that's fine. Okay. So.
Right? That'd be pretty intense and weird, right? Yeah. And you were just like, what is even going on here?
Let's debug this. Yes, Nano is my main editor of choice. Strong preference for Nano over any other editor, really. Except for Glitch. Glitch has a good web editor. Okay.
When you write something, things grow very organically. Things change as you write, and that doesn't work very well with established marketing plans.
Now, onions with 8 adjacent tiles.
Like how characters are supposed to behave if you're just not feeling it. It's very difficult. And
Let's see,
let's
tile
not
14
forget,
has
I'm not even to the word
5 tiles here,
but
plus
remember
1,
we had
2,
those
3.
prequels that were supposed to come out like via email newsletter, but they came out like after
late,
the war
right?
5,
spark,
6,
like
7,
really late.
8.
So everybody was like, what happened to Nick Nizzet? What's going on? Why is Niv fighting?
Yeah, that's correct. 5 plus 3 is indeed 8. Okay.
From the prequels that didn't come out, so there's scheduling issues. And then the second War of the Spark came out.
I think I called upon to do an outer loop.
Some incredible, like, I mean, character assassination is too strong a word, but
Taking
just
my
like
outer layer
and just like erasing of like
to index 1, which is up, and 2, which is in the middle, XYs. If I run off the bottom, I should fetch from position Y coordinate 3, X coordinate 2.
Yeah, no.
Oh, that's wrong. This is wrong right here. From the left,
If she's pissed about that, then like,
need to be at coordinate
believe it or not, there are some allies.
2, 1, and here that needs to be 2, 3. Okay, now that should be correct. Run that, 99, that's correct. Great. Run my full input. 1921. Feed it into the checker. And that's correct. That's day number 24. Yay. Okay. That was surprising. So now we have a full hour and a half until the until the next unlock. So let's go tidy up this solution really fast. The main thing that I don't like about this is I like that I correctly handled this. What I think I needed to do here is where I know the information on start. Why should these things need to know all of these internal details? I feel like this should just be a straight up fetch, and these should be on the inside. On the other hand, how would I handle this? I guess I have to examine for each of these things whether or not they're either 0, 5, or 2. No, okay, it's the correct decision to handle it this way. Either way, there's eight different cases to think about. Okay, I'm happy enough with that. Day 24 solution. Let's go ahead and upload that to GitHub where y'all can look at it. It's at Gray. So that's where you can find this code if you're interested in it. And yeah, I will see folks probably about 15 to 20 minutes before the puzzle unlock. That way we get time to do kind of a year review before the grand 50 star thing. So this is what my advent calendar looks like right now. And as we can see, we're counting down 1 hour and 12 minutes until day 25. And if we look at the overall stats, we can see that right now, as of right now, it looks like about roughly 2,000 people, let's say, are in line to earn a gold star on day number 25. So yeah, that's Advent of Code, and see you in an hour.